Hello, George Cummings, your web guru with another Keller Williams EAgentC tech tip. In our last update, I showed you how to upload a custom header and customize the Keller Williams EAgentC website using the custom template as such. And here we go. What we did is we used some branding that this particular agent has that matches their other marketing, and this kind of gives it more of a custom feel, but you're still using the EAgentC template. But it's your own. You made it your own. So what we're going to do this time, though, because one thing I'm not really that keen on is the gray background. It's a little boring. And so I'm going to show you a couple ways to change the background, and one where you can just dial in and only change the background itself without changing anything else. So you probably already know. If we go to your agent website administration tool, your admin tool, you're going to go over to 2.0, design your website, and then you're going to go to 2.2, choose style, font, color. And there's a default colors that is just what it is for the particular template. Each template has a different default colors. And what you're looking at from left to right, for example here, is the background color, the focus box header color, the font color, and the border color. Borders for anything that you've got inside the site. Maybe I want to use this one because I like the maroon background. So again, anything on the left is going to be the background. You're going to move in. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and save it. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page, and as soon as my computer catches up, we have a maroon background. Now what I don't like about this though is the light gray font. I think that would be really hard for readers to really soak in. Plus this is really stark too, the focus box colors, so it's really jarring for readers. You have to remember to be kind and gentler to your internet visitors and make sure that your site is warm and fuzzy. I see this a lot with Keller Williams EAgentC sites, so you got to keep that in mind. Make the font color black. Don't get too funky, and just try and keep the colors as nominal as possible. It's not to say you can't have fun with it, but make sure that it's readable and flows really well. So what we're going to do instead, I want to with this site, what I want to do is have the font be black, but I want to change just the background color. And there's a way you can do it that uses the style sheet. And you don't have to know programming because I'm going to give you the programming code. So here we go. Down here at the bottom it says you can also use advanced CSS editor. CSS is a nice highfalutin term, stands for cascading style sheets. That's literally all you need to know about it. Now there is some CSS code that I'm going to put in the description of the YouTube video, and you can just copy and paste that code. I have it here in a notepad. See, I'm cheating as well. So copy, and then I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, now this has all kinds of different things that you can do with it. We're just going to worry about the background color right now. We're not going to change the border. We're not going to try any background images or anything like that. We're just going to change the background color. So right here where it says background dash color, very simple. Let's say I want it to be black, and just type the color black in. And then you want to make sure that you have it publish this style sheet and click submit. Now watch what happens. There, I've got my easy to read font. I've got a black background that can bring out the rest of the site, and there I have it. And then my focus boxes are back to normal too. But let's say, you know what, George, I don't like black. I want a different color for mine. All right, how about maroon? See, you just type the color in, maroon. And look at this. Hey George, that's great, but I want an orange background. Fine. All right, type in orange. Are you getting the picture here? Okay, let's see what that looks like. Holy Hannah, nobody wants that. But you can see, what I'm talking about? We're going to go ahead and keep this black. So all you need to do is just plug this little code in. And again, I'll give it to you in the YouTube description. It will be there. Let's make sure that I put this back where it was. Ah, that's so nice. And also, if you can't get it or there's some other question you have about it, feel free to email me, george@agentwebmarketing.com, and we're off and running. All right, thanks a lot.